Job Scout. Let's dive into our topic: how many jobs are available in specialty chemicals. Make sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification so you never miss a video. We have published a detailed article on our website on this topic as well. Specialty chemicals contribute a remarkable share to the employment industry. Recent research proves the mentioned point by disclosing over 100,000 jobs in the specialty chemicals industry. This is an immensely vast industry, and most employers are titled chemists. They research and manufacture chemicals for forensic, medical, industrial, and agricultural purposes. The scope of specialty chemicals has no limitations. You can get a view of this industry by overviewing the chemicals you use in day-to-day life. From clothes and washing necessities to food and water, chemicals matter a lot. Now that you know the number of jobs in specialty chemicals, let us look through more detail about a career in this industry. What are specialty chemicals? As the name implies, specialty chemicals are specified chemicals that are effective either in other industries or function independently. The specialty chemicals industry applies several methods to manufacture, industrialize, and disinfect these chemicals. These chemicals are then used further based on their performance or function. The global specialty chemicals market size is valued at $627.7 billion in 2021, which is predicted to grow at a CAGR of 4.3% and reach a market value of $886.2 billion by 2030. Is specialty chemicals a good career path? Yes, specialty chemical is a great career path. The primary reason is the growing industry. The specialty chemicals industry is expanding with thousands of new job openings each year. Consequently, a career in specialty chemicals is secure and offers long-term benefits. Working in the specialty chemicals industry develops transferable and advanced skills in the employee. These skills are demanded by many industries like textiles, food, and cosmetics. Specialty chemicals is a high-paying industry. This industry invests a large GDP in the world's economy and in most cases pays a 5-digit wage to its employees. Furthermore, this is not a limited career. You can find multiple job opportunities at the international level with modern and relevant skills. This is a fulfilling job as you take part to make a difference in the world. Why choose a career in specialty chemicals? Although a specialty career is an excellent career choice, it is not recommended for everyone. You should go for a career in specialty chemicals if you have a keen interest in chemistry or chemicals. This industry primarily encourages chemistry major individuals. If you get a buzz from the manufacturing or chemical analysis process, then specialty chemicals are a great career path for you. You should have proficient skills in science, analytical, technical, and organization. Provided that you are detail-oriented and give consideration to every critical matter, then a specialty chemicals career is the right fit for you. To work in specialty chemicals, you would be fascinated by chemicals, lab science, and research. You should choose a career in specialty chemicals because of the wide range of job opportunities in diverse sectors like electronics and food additives. Best paying jobs in specialty chemicals. 1. Chemist. Chemist researches and analyzes manufactured goods at the atomic and subatomic level to look for any toxic effect. He researches the molecules and their interactions at different levels. Developing mechanisms for the manufacture, purification, and modification of chemicals for the synthesis of goods is also the duty of a chemist. To be able to become a chemist, you need amazing chemistry skills and knowledge about modern chemical mechanisms. Moreover, you must have analytical and complex problem-solving skills. Chemists earn a good salary in the United States and other parts of the world, about $64,720. 2. Toxicologist. A toxicologist researches and tests the chemicals such as drugs, gases, food additives, and fragrances to identify and eliminate toxins or microorganisms from the product. They analyze the data and conduct controlled experiments to remove potential contamination. Toxicologists detect the poison and study their effects and properties. They also look for the treatment and prevention of the poison. Typically, to become a toxicologist, you need a degree in toxicology, biochemistry, or a medical-related field. You need good methodology and analyzing skills while experimenting. Toxicology is a solid career and is expected to expand by 17% between 2020 to 2030. A toxicologist earns a productive stipend of about $80,450. 3. Analytical chemist. An analytical chemist implements laboratory instruments to identify and separate matter particles and the interactions between them. He applies quantitative and qualitative analysis to understand the interaction between particles keenly. Analytical chemist is demanded in every research field like environment monitoring, soil testing, medical diagnosis, forensic study, and food science. A degree in analytical chemistry or a related science field is required to become an analytical chemist. Excellent at skills, analytical mind, and logical problem-solving capacity are also demanded. They typically earn about $63,400. 4. Material scientist. As a material scientist, you have to study the characteristics and structure of the materials and discover the mechanisms for manufacturing new materials or enhancing the existing ones. They test a range of products such as metals, plastic, rubber, glass, and polymer. They work in every field as aerospace, automobile, electronics, and healthcare to improve our standard of living. Most material scientists have a degree in chemistry or a related field, while a few have a degree in material science. The job outlook is positive with an annual stipend of $78,900. Conclusion: how many jobs are available in specialty chemicals? In the end, we can say that a plethora of jobs are available in specialty chemicals. This is a solid and steady career for people interested in chemistry and analysis. You should start looking for a job in specialty chemicals if you find this industry fascinating.